In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Looker Studio ownership in about 5 minutes. Whether you're handing over a project or transitioning roles within your team, transferring ownership of a Looker Studio report is an essential process that ensures continuity, access, and control over the data visualization workflows. So, sit tight as we walk through the steps to make this transfer smooth and straightforward. To kick things off, head over to the Looker Studio main page by typing https://lookerstudio.google.com/ into your web browser. Once there, you'll notice an option that says use it for free. Click on this to proceed. This is your gateway to accessing all the amazing features Looker Studio offers without needing a subscription. Next up, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email associated with the account that currently owns the Looker Studio report you wish to transfer. After typing in your email, you'll be asked to enter your password, fill it in and click on Login to access your dashboard. From here, navigate to the Looker Studio dashboard. If you're not directed there automatically, you can always access it by selecting Looker Studio from the variety of services offered. Locate the existing report you wish to transfer. You can find your reports listed once you're in the Looker Studio environment. Simply click on the report you're interested in to open it. Now for the core part of the transfer, sharing the report. To do this, you'll need to click on the Share button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the report page. This step is crucial because it's here that you'll be adding the new owner. Once you've clicked Share, you'll see another Share option in the settings. Click on it, which will take you to a new window titled Share with People and Groups. This feature allows you to manage who can view, edit, or own the report moving forward. In the Share with People and Groups window, you'll have the option to add people by their email addresses. Here, type in the email address of the individual or group you're transferring ownership to. It's a straightforward process. Just type in the email and it'll populate. After you've added the new prospective owner, there's a small yet significant step: changing their role from viewer to editor. To the right of the email address you've just entered, there's a drop-down menu. Select it and change their role to editor. This action is critical because only someone with editing rights can be escalated to an owner. The final step in this transfer journey is clicking Send. By doing so, an invite will be sent to the person or group you've added, granting them the permissions you've just set. And voila, you're almost done. However, it's important to note that at this stage, you've shared the report with the necessary permissions, but the ownership transfer isn't complete just yet. The new editor will need to accept the invite, and then you or they can officially change the ownership within the Looker Studio settings. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to transfer ownership of a Looker Studio report. While the process involves several steps, each one is crucial in ensuring the report is handed over securely and efficiently. Remember, transferring ownership of a report might require a little coordination with the new owner, especially when instructing them to accept the invite and understanding their new role as owner. Before we close, a quick tip. Always double check the permissions and roles before sending out the invite. Ensuring the correct email and permissions are set from the get-go can save time and avoid any access issues down the line. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and walkthroughs. Until next time, happy reporting.